This will be the last storm system that we have to get through, and we do weather this storm, and we have a quiet sky reward waiting for the upcoming weekend. Temperatures really going to be surging as we head into next week. First, the short term, only a 67 today, and we do expect showers and thunder showers across western and northern New Mexico. Some high mountain snows as well. After 3 o'clock is we're going to see that isolated storm chance here in Albuquerque, and boy, if those storms do develop, they're likely going to push out some big time winds. By about midnight, the rain does wind down. Now, we wake up on Thursday morning to temperatures well down into the 40s. We're thinking across western and northern New Mexico, we're going to have early morning temperatures close to freezing. I hope you haven't started your vegetable gardens just yet, especially west and north of the Albuquerque metro. We get into Friday and Saturday, racing through the 70s to about 80 on Saturday, mid 80s Sunday, and it's rare to talk about an extended stretch of days without any wind issues, but that'll be the story we think Thursday through Sunday. We will have breezy to windy conditions early next week. Today, gusty southwesterly winds, highs only in the 60s for Rio Rancho and Albuquerque. Santa Fe just shy of 60 for an afternoon high.